To use the digital wallet Wells Fargo 2025, start by ensuring you have a compatible device and the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app. Open the app and sign in to your account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the digital wallet section within the app, which is usually found under the main menu or the account summary page. Here, you will see the option to add a digital wallet. Select this option and follow the prompts to add your debit or credit card to the digital wallet. You will be required to verify your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once verified, your card will be added to the digital wallet and you can start using it to make payments. To make a payment, open the digital wallet and select the card you want to use. You will then be prompted to authenticate the transaction, either through a passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition, depending on your device settings. After authentication, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message on your device once the payment is successful. For online transactions, select the digital wallet option at checkout and follow the prompts to complete the payment. You may be required to authenticate the transaction again, depending on the merchant's requirements. To manage your digital wallet, navigate back to the digital wallet section within the Wells Fargo app. Here, you can view your transaction history, add or remove cards, and update your card details. It is essential to keep your device and the Wells Fargo app up to date to ensure the security and functionality of your digital wallet. Additionally, always keep your device and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your digital wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely use the Wells Fargo digital wallet to make payments and manage your accounts.